First thing is development boards. Development boards are embedded hardware boards with microcontrollers and having the basic additional circuitry like reset circuits, debugging and programming circuits, oscillator and clock circuits, power circuits to form the usable microcontroller boards, hardware boards. Addition to these have the header pins like female headers, male headers or other connectors to trace out the microcontroller pins to make the external connections with them. And also they have couple of LEDs and potentiometers which are connected to the microcontroller pins on board on these boards so as to test the basic functionality and the working of the microcontrollers. Apart from these boards also have the power on or transmission reception LEDs so as to check that whether microcontroller is being powered on and whether microcontroller is properly transmitting or receiving the data. Examples are Arduino Uno boards, STM32 Blue Pill port, ESP Node MCU board or Electronics version 1 S32K144 Automotive Microcontroller Development Board. All of these are the examples of development boards. Apart from development boards, there are evaluation boards also for using the microcontrollers. Evaluation boards are just like development boards, but in addition to all the features of development boards, they have on board some specific sensor ICs or communication transceiver ICs to build the application specific to those ICs with the microcontrollers. Like Electronics version 3 Automotive Evaluation Board, which has BNO055 IMU sensor IC for building kinematics based automotive projects like airbag control systems, and it is TGA1051 CAN transceiver IC for building the automotive communication protocol based projects using CAN communication protocol. Both of these boards are connected to the host desktop or laptop through a USB cable via programmer or debugger to program and debug the microcontroller programs which are flashed into it. And these programmers or debuggers are either present on board on these development boards or evaluation boards, or external programmer or debugger are used with these development boards. These development boards and evaluation boards provide an easy way to use the microcontrollers for building the complex applications and connect them with the outside world in a prototyping and learning stage. Now for every microcontroller there is a development board or evaluation board for using it, and these development boards are designed either by the semiconductor companies of the corresponding microcontrollers or the third party vendors. Like Arduino is a development board which is based on Atomica 328 microcontroller which is designed by Microchip Semiconductor Technologies company, but Arduino board is designed and developed by third party vendors of the Arduino Uno or Arduino organization. Same way there is a Blue Pill development board which is based on STM32F103 microcontroller, and STM32F103 is a microcontroller which is designed by ST Microelectronics Semiconductor company, but Blue Pill is designed and developed by third party vendors. Evaluonics version 3 is an automotive evaluation board which has S32K144 automotive microcontroller which is designed by the NXP Semiconductors, but its evaluation board is being designed and developed by the third party Gettobyte Technologies Private Limited. Same way there are STM32 Nucleo boards and or STM32 evaluation boards which are based on STM32 microcontrollers, but those evaluation boards are being built by ST Microelectronics itself only. So you will find that each microcontroller or a microcontroller can have different development boards and evaluation boards which are either designed by that corresponding semiconductor company or by the third party vendors. And to know about these evaluation boards and development boards, you can explore about that microcontroller from its web page and over to its website page. And that wraps up this video in our microcontroller technology series. If you're ready to take your microcontroller skills to the next level, don't forget to save this playlist of what is microcontroller technology, as in this playlist over time you will find number of videos which will help you learn about these chips in chronological and interactive way by covering modern day industry level concepts, tools and technologies, so as to become a skilled engineer and not just a graduated one. For viewers who wanted to expand their knowledge by hands-on practical learning, check out our Introduction to Microcontroller Technology course 101 built around the industrial grade NXP S32K144 microcontroller. This course dives deep into peripheral of modern day microcontrollers, teaching you real world tools and techniques and no more just theory. Head over to edu.gettobyte.com to learn more and get started. Let's keep learning, innovating innovating and building together, because a skilled engineer stands out, not just a graduated one. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and series videos. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out our next videos, and explore the next video so as to continue your learning in a chronological way from here, and explore the full series playlist linked right here. Got any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.